My vanilla pound cake is looking absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, we have a nice golden brown crust. The texture of the cake is just absolutely amazing. As you can see, it's a little bit dense, very fluffy, very moist. It's perfectly baked and with the right amount of sweetness. So most of the time when we search for a cake recipe on the internet, you always come across very complicated recipes which need ingredients which you can't find. So looking at my channel, I have so many cake recipes, and each cake recipe has the minimalist of ingredients or the simplest of the ingredients which are readily available in your pantry, all which are readily available in your pantry or kitchen. So grab the ingredients and try out this easy peasy vanilla pound cake. Cakes are one of the most easiest baked goodies to make because the ingredients are always simple. All you have to do is measure out your ingredients and make some awesome cake. So in my bowl, I have 1 cup of margarine, which you can substitute with soap and butter. I find that margarine is budget friendly. That means that baking a cake is not optional. So you're going to need a hand mixer to whip up your margarine for around a minute. And if you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a whisk. After a minute, this is how your margarine is going to be looking. As you can see, the color has changed from yellow to a nice pale yellow color, and also it's super fluffy. So you're going to add in 1 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to mix up using my spatula. You can also use your mixer. Once the sugar is fully combined with the margarine, you're going to crack in 5 eggs. Whenever you're making a pound cake, it requires a lot of eggs. For example, in this recipe, we're using 5, which is going to make the cake very moist. This is how your batter should be looking like, and you're going to use a spatula in between and scrape your bowl so that all the ingredients can get fully whipped up. And before you start whipping up your ingredients, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to line your baking loaf tin with parchment paper and also spread some oil or margarine on the tin so that it can be easier for you to invert your cake. I just forgot to mention that, but it is quite okay because my oven is already preheated. Whipping up the eggs for around 2 minutes is going to create a lot of air pockets in the batter, so you're going to get some fluffy cake. You can see how silky smooth the batter is looking after fully whipping up. So next you're going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix up using a spatula. Next, we're going to be adding some nice flavor to our cake. And as usual, you need some vanilla essence, or if you have vanilla bean, it's quite okay. So I'm going to add in a teaspoon, which is quite enough. Mix up using my spatula, and at this point, you don't need a hand mixer because you have created a lot of air pockets in the batter. So using the hand mixer to whip up the flour and milk is going to knock out all that air. So I'm going to gradually add in flour And all the ingredients are going to be listed in the description box in the right quantity. So check them out. Use my spatula and fold in the flour. Add in some milk and fold in as well. Add in the rest of the flour. Fold as you add in the rest of the milk. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl so that all the ingredients can get fully combined. This is how your batter should be looking. As you can see, it's not flowing. It's a little bit on the thick side. So now I'm going to pick my pan, transfer in the batter. Level up using a spatula just like this. You're going to tap on your countertop for around 2 to 3 times. This is to remove any air pockets in the batter. Then you're going to be baking at 180 degrees Celsius for around 50 to 60 minutes. And to check if your cake is ready, you're going to insert a skewer in the middle of the cake. Once the skewer comes out with no wet batter, your pound cake is ready to cool down. Cake is ready and it has been cooling for around 10 minutes in the tin. And as you can see, the cake looks absolutely gorgeous. It's well baked. We have a nice brown crust on the outside. So now, because it has cooled a little bit, I'm going to be inverting so that the cake can cool completely. I'm going to remove the baking tin, transfer on my cooling rack just like that. And this cake looks so good. So I'm going to cool completely, or at least cool for 30 minutes, because yeah, this year I've not made any cake, so I'm excited for the first bite. Using a serrated knife, cut yourself a piece of cake. As you can see, using a serrated knife helps you cut into the cake so easily, and this is how my cake is looking. Just look at that crumb texture. This is the good thing about making pound cakes, because just look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. The cake is very versatile. You can bake, make a birthday cake, a wedding cake, because the texture is so good. It's delicious. It's vanilla cake. So as I said, it's very versatile. And also you can enjoy over a cup of tea or coffee, juice, milk, and each bite is going to be absolutely amazing. Catch you on my next episode.